Kani kadiga Betsy TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong bat kara karong.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kala priang bat Ithuh ya ka kong Eldora Betsy Lyngdoh kum ka Goodwill Ambassador lengba ka jingyo jungka ya ka World Class Excellence Japan Award arajar khat khandai. Ka kong Eldora Betsy Lyngdoh kala yok priang ya ka ni ka khusnam haga khat Sauterik Urisau arajar khat khandai ha Amicus Hall Fukuoka Japan. Halor kani la perlong ya kejinyalang ban pedang puram ya ka kong Eldora Betsy Lyngdoh ha ka singin kong jong katayo ka laifu waiterik unailar arajar arpo ha taragar hajan ga nan palok Shillong ha ka ba usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla uba Preston tensong ulalong ukongsan lem ga jingyadon lang jong u MP ka Raja Sabha uba WR Karluki u menteri ketenat PWD uma Komingwan Ambon u MLA ka Mukayau constituency uma Nujorki Sungo bat kiwei. Hagani kejan mir lapun iru ya kejing itu lengkot syapang kejing im bat kejing ya lenti jong ka kong Eldora Betsy Lyngdoh lengba ka video clip. La aya ka vote of thanks da ka secretary jong ka NRE Pageant India Private Limited ka Nadia Mary's Imle.
And many students got distinction in her subject. In the year 2007, we were blessed with twins, one boy and one girl named Betsy and Ashley. In the year 2016, Eldora participated at Mrs. India and won a second runners-up in classic category, and then she participated at Mrs. Asia International Health Innovation. After which, she took up the challenge in her heart, along with her husband, to start up a unique pageant with the theme, "We are men and women of integrity."
If I am allowed to recollect, the talent that we have in our state is so huge. Men and women, young and old, we do have so much talented and wonderful souls in the state of Meghalaya. And from the government, we would like to encourage, to inspire, and also to bring laurels to the state of Meghalaya. We are the smallest state, I should say, if not smallest, but we are smaller in India. But the laurels that we have from these different disciplines is huge. And one of them is Eldora. With her talent, the hard work that she has done, and I don't forget one program, one night, I think I went down to Calcutta. Is it this year? I think early this year, or last year. We were there in the, what hotel was that? Novotel. I see myself how Eldora can connect from such a small state, from a small locality of Maukan to the entire India, not only India, but beyond India. That night I was so scared, and ultimately Eldora, she made me also to deliver some lines of speech along with the ambassador, I think, from High Commissioner of British. So we were there together. It is really a pride. I'm so proud of you, Eldora. Please keep it up. The government is with you. We are together with you. In any form you require or support, please be free, sharing with the government. We are there, as I said to you, because your services, I've seen this write-up, short write-up made by you. It's so wonderful, very good services. You serve the state of Meghalaya, and not only the state of Meghalaya, but also the northeastern states.
On 14th October 2019, I received an award as a Goodwill Ambassador of the Year, conferred by the World Class Excellence Japan Award, which recognize my achievements, especially or mostly in the pageant industry. As God paved the way for me to continue in this mission, I willingly took up the task to reach my destination. I am just an instrument that tries its best to give a beautiful essence of music with several tuning in my life, and as long as the strings are working. I am honored and blessed and feel blessed with the awards that I have received. But what gives me the immense joy in my heart is that every time we have an event hosted by our company, I saw in the life of the contestants, which comes and participates from different parts of India, that their life change, their behavior change, their character change, their views change, the perception change, everything change because of the teachings and the social cause visits we have in our programs. The grooming sessions which we have 2 or 3 days before the grand finale. All these teachings have given them so much impact, have impacted them so much in their lives, that when they go back to their own states, whether they are male or female, whether they are merit or unmerit, whether they are winners or not, but when they go back to their own state, to their own society, they stretch their hands to those people who are in need, to the whole nation as a whole. And to show the clippings of what they have done, it will take a long time for us. But that is the joy that brings in my heart. And as the vision of our company, which is exactly the vision of our company, the vision of our company is to be the agent of change, whereby values are given priority rather than fame. That is our vision. And seeing that the vision we had as a company has been accomplished through these years, have really granted the joy in me as a national director and upon each and every member of the company. My expectations in my heart is to be able to connect our state with Japan. So today, after his speech, it has really encouraged me. So I am deeply thankful and grateful for the initiative and the efforts by the state government for the recognition of the awards, so that we can have, which I definitely believe, it will help the government of Meghalaya and Japan to have a long-term relationship in different industries. As this is the purpose which I seek, that we will be able to connect with Japan from the time I received the awards, to connect with Japan in different fields, in education, in tourism, in constructions and many other things which we can accomplish. But because of the pandemic, we were unable to do so for the recognitions. But thank you, Ba Preston Tinsong, for today, which everything has happened accordingly. So I look forward as an awardee of a Goodwill Ambassador to continue the connectivity along with the state government. Thank you so much. God bless each one of you.